Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to talk about the missing difficulty on TryHackMe. The missing difficulty is super easy. I tried a vast amount of different rooms on different kind of TryHackMe areas, sites, hack the box and so on, and sometimes you tumble upon a room that is like, whoa, that is really easy. It's easier than the majority of the easy rooms. It's like 500% easier. There are quite a deal of those rooms that are easy on TryHackMe. That is just too easy to be, I would say, to be categorized as easy. There should be something else than that. You should create another difficulty. Either call it super easy or call it noob or something like that. Maybe that is a bit too... you know what you get it, right? Noob is like, yeah, but you don't call it like that. But maybe you should create super easy. That is my suggestion to you. Okay, so if you're watching the video and you work for TryHackMe, think about bringing this to the table, super easy difficulties. And I know you have this learning path system. I know you have this modules and stuff like that. I'm a fan of it. But you know, there's a great gap between easy rooms. You know, some easy rooms are almost like hard, you know. And then you can say, but don't you need something that is like so easy that it's just one or two things as a puzzle you need to solve, just very little. You don't need to run any particular scans, maybe just one scan, but isn't there something, or just using one tool, puzzles, just using GoBuster all the way, nothing else than that. Nothing but looking at weird strings that need to be cracked with John, or using some, you know, capability issue, or get some SUID errors or sudo stuff like that. You know, all those kind of things. You know, no reason to do all that. Create this super easy room, difficulty of rooms, and I think that will bring the category of people forward, ahead, into the light, whatever you're gonna call it, more than it is at the moment, because you have been really good at doing a better job than Hack the Box. Hack the Box still lack the overall, you know, they got the sauce, they got the meal in the oven, but they still need to salt it and, you know, separate it in a certain way that you really solve really good TryHackMe. So really thank you for that. However, you need to look at difficulties. You need to either make easy. Many rooms that are easy should probably be in medium. No, just saying, okay? I wouldn't say that many rooms that are in hard should be insane or otherwise, but there is this easy medium thing, and this is the thing. It is really difficult to say what is easy. So I usually create something like some game rules that, you know, you really look through all the rooms that are being created on TryHackMe, like let's say reviewed, and then you try it, and if it fulfills the overall build model for easy, like you need to do one scan, it needs to be one puzzle, needs to be at least 2 ports open, no more than 3, and so on and so on. It's nothing big. Then it falls into the category of easy and so on. That was just an idea, right? And the same goes for medium, hard, and insane. You know, why not do that? Because I've just seen people, you know, creators of rooms just like, oh, but I set the wrong difficulty, they said, and then they downgraded or upgraded it later. So what I really think is, without knowing the infrastructure, how you do it, there is no real reviews on difficulties. If you create difficulty write-ups and say like easy should be like this, medium should be like this, and then there is some sort of, you know, background that could go on for like a long time. People could create the content, the video that were like directed towards a difficulty. At the moment, easy is a bit muddy. It should be this is a bit scattered as well, you can say. So it should really focus on, you know, pulling some of the easy rooms to medium and create a super easy difficulty. I really hope that I gave some sense to you. I know English is not my native language. I really hope that you understood what I'm saying, even though that I did do a few fumbles, and this is my third retry of recording this video because it's like, oh, what am I saying? So really, just my overall idea right now is create the super easy difficulty, sort out easy, make some of them medium, make a game plan for how a room is easy, when is it easy, and so on. So I really hope you watch my video. If you work at TryHackMe, bring it to the board, talk about it. I would gladly, write an email or do online meeting with you guys or something like that. If you wish to do that, I could explain this even more. Yeah. Hope you liked the video. See you out there and have a really nice day.